Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Krazy Klean Pro products. But before we get into that, a lot of you have been asking me how do I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. So the link is in the description down below for you guys to check out. And with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So right here, we have it here pulled up on their website. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically just products that help you clean your restroom or your health or your hygiene. So as you can see, there's products right here. So they have products for toilet. They also have toothbrushes. So basically toiletries and cleaning products. So right here on their website, they have 5-star reviews and a lot more. So if you're wondering if this is actually legit, I have it pulled up here on Amazon, and we have this toilet cleaner from from Krazy Klean. So as you can see, they're rated 2.9 out of 5 stars, which is pretty bad, with 17 ratings. So let's actually read the reviews down here. So this one is 5-star. This works. Dangerous chemicals. That is one thing to watch out for. So if you're not wearing gloves, you might as well get burned from the chemicals, since it may be harmful. So would not bite again. Buy it again. Did not meet my expectations. Nice color blue. I don't know what that's supposed to mean. Clean, loved at first, kept the bowl clean. At times, no blue color but next flush blue color comes back. Hardly worth it. Works great. Crap. Stains the toilet blue. Semi good, and a lot more. So this product is a bit of a hit or miss. Now do take note, guys, that these reviews right here could be very well faked. You can easily fake these reviews right here. If you're the one who made the website, you can actually just easily put this in. And please do not believe the reviews here that they put on their website. So if you want to buy this product, I advise you to do some more research if it is actually right for you. However, if you're really not sure about it, I advise you to just buy anything from the store that is more trustworthy and not something shady like this one. So that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.